How can I manage courses on my Moodle site? A course in Moodle is a space where teachers add learning materials for their students. Courses can be organised into course categories. You have a lot of freedom in how you organise courses, so it's worth having an overall plan before starting to set courses up. You access the course area from Site Administration, Courses. Courses on your site can have default settings. You can specify these from Site Administration, Courses, Course Default Settings, and editing teachers can change these settings in their own courses. You can add a category from the Add a Category link and a course from the Add a New Course link. By default, only administrators can create categories and courses. You can allow other roles to create courses if you really need to. We look briefly at roles in another video. Clicking Manage Courses and Categories, we see that a new Moodle site has a single category for adding courses. It's called Miscellaneous, but you can change its name by clicking the Edit icon. To the right of the category list, you see any courses within that category. You can click to create a new single course from there. We look in another video at ways to create courses. To create a new category, you click the Create Category button and enter the details. Note that you can have a top-level category or you can have subcategories. This is why it's important to think through how you want your site organised. You must add a name, but the ID number and description are not essential. Click the question mark icons for more information. In this site, there are several categories with courses. You can hide categories, move them, select and turn them into sub or top-level categories. You can also do the same with courses in each category, and you can move courses out of one category into another one. However, a course can only be in one category. To summarise, courses are where teachers add learning content. They can be organised and rearranged into categories and subcategories.